What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So we are back down at Jdmhq. They've actually got a second place now. So Reg has given me a call. He asked me to come down and do a couple of features on some cars. So it's a bit of a trek away, but it's always worth it to come down Jdmhq and see some of their cool cars. So let's jump on in and let's see what he's got. Alright guys, so I'm sorry for the rain. It just started throwing it down on us, but we are getting this video done for you guys because what they've got in is sick. So we have an Evo 9 wagon. They've actually got two of these right now. This one I'm in right now has got 140,000 Ks. Auto, full Recaros, it's got coilovers, it's got aftermarket exhaust system, and he was saying it's got some boost gauges as well. That must have been the other one. Now, I'm just gonna take this one up the road, just because it's a storage area over there, so it's pretty hard to do the video. But I'm hoping this rain's gonna back off. It just backed off. Let's get outside and I'll show you guys around the car. All right, boys and girls. So yeah, this one they're selling for like 33K. So it's got canards, like I said, coilovers, aftermarket wheels, and aftermarket exhaust. And it actually, I'm not a big wagon guy personally, but I love this. This is sick. For some reason, every wagon that Jdmhq get in, I'm in love with. They had that Mark II Toyota. They've got this. This is like a love child between an Evo and a Galant, I guess. It's sick. Sorry about the audio. It's going to be pretty windy out here, but you'll need to see this. Look at that back window. That's beautiful. I'm about this. I'm really about this. If I needed like a family car, ooh, Brooke, family car? Oh, brother, this is sick. I'm actually so keen on this. And they bring in some really tidy ones. Apparently it's getting really hard to bring stuff in from Japan, is what they're telling me, for compliance and all that sort of stuff. And a lot of cars over there are getting pretty rough because obviously everyone's ripping them out of there trying to get some cool cars. So guys, if you're interested, get down to Jdmhq and grab this. And if you grab this, oh, look at those back fenders too, a little wide body. Oh, so good. Yeah, get this. And if you get it, DM me and take me for a thrash, because obviously I can't thrash it. I got to respect the car and everything because it's not mine. But let's jump into the engine bay. All right, so nothing crazy aftermarket in here. Aftermarket exhaust, like I said, the coilovers and everything. But that's kind of what you want, guys. You don't want something that has been fully crazy modified, because you know it hasn't been tampered with too much. It's still been looked after, you know, and then you can get in and do what you want to do. You don't have to deal with someone else's dodgy modifications. I really, really like this. All right, let's have some interior shots, eh? Let's have a look in here. That's a lot of room. That is a good amount of room. Like, if you're looking for something that is JDM, bit of fun, also super dailyable, this is it. Those front seats are so comfortable as well. Like, these are crazy comfy. Got that Alcantara in the middle, same as the back seats, they all match. Really, really nice. Every time these guys get something new in, it's always exciting for me. I couldn't recommend this more. Obviously, if you get it and there's like an issue with it or something, I didn't tell you to get it. Nah, I couldn't recommend this more. This is such a nice daily car. Honestly, if I hadn't got the Crown, I didn't love the Crown so much, I'd be looking at something like this. Something super practical, but also super fun. I mean, like, it's a full Evo just in a wagon. It's not like a, what are they, the Black Hawks, I think it is, where it's like the SRT seats and stuff, but no engine. This has all of it. This is an Evo. It's just, you've got heaps more space in the back. All you Crown boys out there that love your 171 wagons, you be frothing this. I'm frothing it, and I'm not even a wagon boy. This is sick. This is so sick. All right, let's head back in. I'm gonna see if they've got anything else that I can maybe get a quick snippet of. I know they've got a lot of stock in there. I'll see if they'll let me go for a bit of a walkthrough. Maybe we'll do another video and I'll take you for a walkthrough of the stuff they've got they're trying to get their compliance on, but it's a long way. They were saying from purchase in Japan To delivery, it's like 8 months, like to get compliance, get it over here, shipping, all that sort of stuff at the moment. So guys, if you're getting something shipped in, expect to wait a while. But these guys, they got a heap of stuff already here. Take it. Alright guys, so as always, thank you for coming along. I hope you enjoyed this. I really enjoyed this. This thing's sick. So excited about new cars, new Japanese cars. I haven't been in before, learning new stuff, because I actually didn't realize that Evo made a wagon. So as much as I do know about Japanese cars, I don't know everything. So this has been great for me. If you liked, please subscribe. Let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next. If you want to see some more feature cars, if you want to see some more modifications, if you've got something sick that maybe you think I'll get on the channel, let me know. Hit me in the DMs. Can always sort something out. Have a cool ride along video, feature video, just like I've done in the past. But yeah guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you guys.